What a car. What? No! No! God damn it! Fucking piece of shit. God damn it! Fuck. Here we go again. Let's see. David! David! Where are you?
What the f you are doing here in the early morning?
Well, we have a job to do. What's with the clothes?
It's Sunday morning, come on.
It's 10 a.m.
Alright,
E32, it's still having some problems.
not possible.
It is. Remember when you said that bravo for me?
Bravo for me, and it's brilliant.
Well, bravo my ass. We have still some work to do. So get some clothes on, will you?
Give me 10 minutes. I'm fucking ready for the show.
What? We are working on a car, not playing a rock and roll show. Change it again.
God damn it, Ronnie. You're always spoiling the fun.
A few moments later.
Alright. Actually, fixing BMWs is also fun, so let's take it inside and let's see what's wrong with it. Look what we have here. It's our helper. What you doing? Baby?
Just hanging around.
Okay, stop playing around with the pussy and let's start the cars.
Alright. Wait a second, pussy won't play with me. Okay, so we have to move the M3 away. By the way, I just forgot what I was mean to say. But yeah. This is gonna be interesting day. I'm gonna take the key, the right one. This is my daily. Good car. And this is my weekend car. Good car.
Ooh, what's that sound? We have something wrong with the M3. But what would this channel be without broken BMWs? Nothing. There's something wrong with your car.
Now the clutch is cold. It's making the sound.
Clutch?
Yeah.
Yeah, you hope so.
No, for real.
Okay.
What was? We are fixing this lady. Again. By the way, Ronnie has changed the door panels from the crappy ones to the crappier. It's done.
It's done?
It is done.
We replaced the sensor and now it's starting way better.
This is not good.
Now it's starting way better.
It's broken. I have to open manually. Kitten! Oh, for f***ing sake!
What happened there?
I lost the indicator. What the f***? Kurwa mać! I lost it on the highway. What the f?
Let's get in.
So now we got the car in. Let's computer plug in.
That's a lovely accent you have. New Jersey?
Butt plug. Let's see what we can do with this. What the f I just said? Okay, action. So now we got the car in. Let's see what fault codes we can find in this car. So there is the socket for the computer connection. Let's see if the icon will recognize it. Tomorrow is the MOT day, so let's hope that there is not too much or not too many.
Too many.
Too many. Not too many fault codes.
There's probably hundreds of them.
Thousands. Okay, so one box. Yeah, we'll need that. I'm a little bit skeptical about connecting this car to the diagnostic computer.
Why is that?
It's old. I mean, car is old, not diagnostic computer. So let's see if it's recognizing such a historic cars like E32. Oh yeah. What the f? This computer will take a while until it starts. So we have some time to connect everything. And oh yeah. This is the icon. Original from BMW. But there is not butt plug.
Butt plug?
Yeah.
Stop thinking about your bedroom.
Shit. Okay, so. Oh yeah. This is going somewhere here. This is going somewhere here. And I have to find this round plug. Yep.
Got it?
No. Yeah, got it. All right. Looks like sits in.
Just like the butt plug?
Just like the butt plug. Is it the time? Will it blow? Okay, let's connect the cables. Kurwa.
So you got the computer hooked in?
What?
You're playing a game?
Yeah.
I thought that we are going to check the codes. What the f?
Let me do my job.
Doesn't look like you're doing anything.
Just hanging around.
So let's try to connect it together.
It's not blowing up yet.
Oh,
That's a good sign.
right.
Kaboom!
Kaboom. Oh, Windows update. Shit. Not seeing the car. Wait a second. Try with ignition off. Shit.
Shit.
Yeah, so that's it. It doesn't have voltage.
Voltage. What the f? Did you plug the cables correctly?
Do you think that's who I am?
I am a surgeon!
But let's try a little bit different. Let's try with INPA. A few moments later.
Should we just say that we failed again?
No, not yet. Uh-oh. 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 Shit. It's short, just like in your pants. There's no connection.
Maybe you have to put the car on.
No,
Yeah, normally no, but you never know.
I know. Voi.
So no connection.
There is something happening.
What? A miracle? What did you do?
Fitto.
It's happening?
No.
Ah!
There's no communication with the car. Maybe we start the engine. Let's try it. Do that this way.
What the f was that? So we just say that we failed again?
Ah, yeah.
Again?
No, wait. Let's try to look there.
Guess what, motherfucker?
Oi, oi, oi.
I have a feeling
Yeah?
that this car will never be fixed.
Ah, shut up.
How many times have we tried to fix this already?
Too many.
Do you remember the torque for these bolts?
Those are f***ed up. So what we can talk about it? Skip it in silence. Focus on the job. The f***. Alright, so let's go do something with that.
A windshield glue, that's gonna be the trick.
Yes. Alright. So we have issue with this sensor, probably because we are not sure 100%. That's the wrong one! Let's try to pull it. Not gonna happen. Oh shit. Coolant on the floor.
So now?
Now you're taking more. What we should have, it's the kind of spray with V angle. We have cleaned the injectors and let's see what's the result. So problem not solved. Ultimate restoration experience. That's gonna be the fastest fix in our history. Ultimate restoration experience right now. No leaks.
It's not even on. Is it leaking? What the f? It's leaking so much.
I don't know who put this clamp, but I guess it was running. Or maybe it was leaking also from here.
Well, that was not even attached.
No, it was. So let's go try to figure out something better than this. Hey, it's smoking from this side, but it's not a problem.
But it looks like a problem.
It's leaking to alternator. It's not good. What the f*** amateurs? Who put this f***ing clamp like this?
Not me.
Not you. And who? Me? Then I want your magic tool.
You want me to put it in?
Yeah.
I got holes in my face.
That's my hose.
With some liquid. Alright, we have it.
I know.
Save the clamps.
For what? You're f***ing stupid.
You want me to struggle? You want me to struggle or not?
No.
Okay, you do it then. I can do it, but
Okay, do that.
now where do you do it? You're the f***ing mechanic, not me. Alright! And you thought that I can't do it.
Well, I'm gonna try to pick up some cleaner from the confit. Shit.
What's that?
It's the water. See.
Are you pulling the pins? Yeah. This is not really professional.
Let me do my job. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, let's try this one more time.
Yeah. Shit. Nope. So we have to say that we fail again and again.
Ultimate restoration experience.
Yeah.
Let's call it a day. If we can't read the codes, then there's nothing left to do. Yes. Okay. All right, David. So, what's the conclusion?
The ECU is not connecting to our tools that we have.
So this means that we failed again?
So far, so good.
God damn it! I was thinking this morning that we can check the codes and make the game plan for the future episodes, what we will be replacing and fixing. But instead of making the game plan, we have nothing. So we would like to thank you for supporting our channel and make sure to subscribe and tell your friends about this Ultimate Failing Restoration channel.
Yeah, let's go change the name. Ultimate Restoration Fail.
But to be honest, we are a bit disappointed with this outcome. We really wish that we could see from the diagnostic computer what's wrong with it.
At this moment we don't have ideas and even strength to continue.
Yes.
But hey, basically... nothing.
All right. In that terrible disappointment, we shall end.
Oi, oi, oi.
Always some troubles.
Always some problems.
See you in the next one. Ciao.
Cut.
Kurva! What the f***?
That was a real reaction.
What the f***? So problem not solved.
No.
Ultimate restoration experience once again.
Not faking the things.
Always some troubles.
Always some struggles.